Hi guys, and welcome back to my Vlogmas 2020 makeup challenge. We are on the day number 2 and today's challenge it will be the romantic makeup challenge. And for this day I have chosen to use a eyeshadow palette that I actually use it on my wedding day. So this is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar eyeshadow palette. I just want to tell you briefly what I've used for my base. So I have used the L'Oreal True Match foundation that I have it on the shade Creamy Ivory W05. And for my concealer, I've also used a L'Oreal product from the same range. So it's the L'Oreal True Match concealer that I have it on the shade Ivory. I've also prepped my lids using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Original. All the products that I've used on today's video will be listed down below on the description box. And now let's go ahead and get into it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you on my next Vlogmas makeup challenge. Bye bye!